Add or subtract as indicated. Here we have 6 over x plus 4 plus 1 over x plus 2 minus 3x over x squared plus 6x plus 8. So we have a sum and difference of rational expressions. In order to combine these, we need a common denominator. We can find that lowest common denominator after seeing each of these in their factored form. So let's factor this trinomial. It factors as the product of two binomials. Leading terms, x times x, give x squared. Factors of 8 that sum to 6 are plus 4 and plus 2. Now our lowest common denominator is going to include every factor that we see. So it includes x plus 4 and it includes x plus 2, along with the largest exponents we see in any of these denominators, and all of these exponents are ones. So our LCD is x plus 4 times x plus 2. Now let's build up our fractions so that they all have that lowest common denominator. Our first rational expression then, 6 over x plus 4. We need to multiply both numerator and denominator by x plus 2 to get that desired lowest common denominator. Our second fraction, which is 1 over x plus 2, is missing the x plus 4 factor. So multiply numerator and denominator here by x plus 4. Now that last fraction has the desired denominator, so just write it. It is 3x over x plus 4 times x plus 2. All right, now each of those denominators is the same, so let's write one long fraction bar. Write that denominator one time. And let's begin to clean up the numerators. So use your distributive property. Up front we get a 6x plus 12 plus, in the middle term here, we're going to get a product, which turns out to be an x plus 4, and lastly, a minus 3x. Don't lose that denominator, just keep rewriting it each time. Combining like terms in the numerator, we have a 6x plus x, that's 7x, minus 3x gives 4x. Combining our numbers, 12 and 4 is 16. Now as the last step, let's see if this is in its simplest form, or if we can cancel out any common factors. This numerator is actually going to factor. Pull out that greatest common factor of 4, and let's rewrite it as 4 times the quantity x plus 4 over our denominator, x plus 4 times x plus 2. Let's cancel our common factor, the x plus 4s, and write this answer then in reduced form as 4 over x plus 2.